How to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on Windows. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily fix this error. So the first thing you want to do is check if you're connected to Wi-Fi or not. Here I'm connected to my Wi-Fi, and in your case, you might be connected, but your internet might not be working. So in that case, what you need to do is be sure that your router is working completely fine. So if your Wi-Fi is working on other devices and it's just having problem on your Windows, you basically have to go ahead and first turn it off. So I'll just do a quick turn off to my Wi-Fi over here and then turn it back again. In many cases, this will fix the most of the problem, but if you're still having issues, open your run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. And then here you're going to have to type in ncpa.cpl. Click on OK and it will open up your network settings. Right click on your Wi-Fi and then disable this once. Once you disable it, your internet connection will be gone for a while until you re-enable it. I'll just tap on enable again and then you'll get back your internet connection over here. Then you want to go over and right click on your properties. Once you open up your properties, go to IPv4 and then click on properties again. Make sure that you are using a alternative DNS. So I'll be using Cloudflare's DNS. That is 1.1.1.1. And then on the alternate, you can do 1.0.0.1. And once you have done that, you should be able to fix your problem. Click on OK. And then from here, there are a few commands that you need to use on command prompt. Type in cmd here, run it as administrator, click on yes. Now here are a few commands that you need to type in. First one is this one. I'll just copy the command, go over here, and then paste it. And once it successfully refreshes your catalog, just select this one as well, and then I'll paste it here. Now once it has been reset, do the last one. You'll find these commands on the description, or you could just type it in from the screen. Now I'll just paste it again and you're good to go. Now you can just type in exit to close your command prompt. And finally, give your PC a quick restart and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. I'll catch you guys in the next one.